So this is a new expert section in the S.O.A.L. I've never been on this section. It shows it right here. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I am by myself, so I gotta be kind of semi, what am I freaking doing? Let's see here how soft and muddy it's going to be. And it doesn't look like many people have been back in here. Right? Oh no, there's a couple trails here. Let's see. The thing of it is which way does it go? I think it goes up through here. It says that way, but might be off the trail already. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to come up that other side there. All right, let's see what we got going on here. She's a little soft. This dry weather's helped out a little bit. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I went up the wrong side there. Oh, there's been some guys that looks like there's been some people down through here. That's a nice little road back in here. Alright, let's see. What all do we have? Oh, we got trees down. Let's see. Are we going to be able to get through here? Let's see here. Alright. Alright, let's take a walk. See what we get ourselves into here, gang. Alright. Now, can I get through there? Or do I? Because I can't get through there. Let's see here. Get some of this out of the way. Can we get up onto this other road? Yeah, I think we can. Let me just turn the bike off. Let's chop down some of this stuff and we'll get through there. All right, hold on, folks. Folks, fun stuff already. All right, this is where, when I was bringing my tools this morning, I was like, you know, I better bring an axe. Did I bring the axe? Oh. There it is. Handy dandy notebook. All right. Now, I could get through here, but let's chop some of this stuff down. Oh, we can get up and around there. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. Got plenty of room, I think. Oh, there we go. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right. Be careful here because you never know how slippery it could be. But we got our first little watershed there, but wow, they really dug out a trench there. That's cool. All right, it's beautiful back in here. Wow, pretty awesome. Great place back in here. Another one of the hot spots here. I could go up that way or I can go up through this way. I tried doing that. That might be slick as snot. This is where I got hung up on my Aprilia, but it was all packed full of mud and everything. I don't know. Let's see what this is all about. Oh yeah, she's sloppy and wet up in here. It's all right, I got her. Whew. All right. Oh yeah. Now she's sideways. Let me see what she's got here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Not the only way to do this. Hold on. All right. Okay. Whew. Okay. Boy, for even as dry as it's been, those leaves got a lot of mud, a lot of wetness underneath them. I got a feeling that's what I'm going to face down here too. Maybe try to stay a high side. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Yeah, not letting me go up there. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Slide right down into the... All right, let's see. All right. Stay up on this ridge. Whew. Don't want to go too hot into this. Ouch. Okay. If I can stay in the middle, it'll be fine, right? Because I don't want to be in the leaves because I don't know what's underneath there, but probably mud and slop. But I might not have any choice coming up here. Okay. Let's see here. Looks like if I stay over to the right here,